Hello guys and welcome to this new video. We all know that content creation is one of the pillars of your business. So today I'm going to be showing you how I've automated part of my content creation using N8N on the backend and an interface on the front end that allows me to control and save me a lot of time. Let's not waste your time and let's get to it. So before moving forward with the technical stuff, let me show you what I have actually made using AI. So all these shorts were made by AI, okay? So this one, I had more than 1K views, and this kind of video actually was created in 3 days ago. So you can get a lot of attention using AI in YouTube Shorts. So now let's move how I actually have done it. So we have actually two components that I'll be showing you. I'll be showing you the interface and also the N8N, and they are actually interconnecting. So I'm actually using webhooks that are calling my N8N on the backend. So this is the front end and this is the backend. And basically I have webhooks for each flow that I'll be showing you here, okay? And each flow has its own functionality. So the first one will allow me actually to create a script and also create and get actually content. So for this first version, I'm getting one media, so one URL that represents the image. So I can show you actually directly. Let's not keep up with the webhooks, but each actually step is corresponding to the steps just below. Okay, so for the first step, I'm actually giving as an input an article. So this article is Set Dream, which is a ByteDance model that has been created just 2 days ago, and I wanted actually to create an AI news about it. So I just give the article or the blog, and I get a title, description, and a script. So this is the script that I'll be actually talking. My avatar will be saying, my AI avatar, and this is also the content or the image that will be added to the video on the top. Okay, so later on what I'm doing is I'm creating my avatar video using this script, and this script actually you can change it, so if you don't like it, you can add up things. Like for this example, I've added up this hook, and yeah, so you check avatar status, you have the ID of the video, and when it's finished you check each time, and when it's completed you get back the video URL. You can create a thumbnail, but this functionality is not yet actually I've added it, but it's not added to the video, because what I would like to do is add this picture in the beginning of the video, the short video. Then you merge the avatar in the b-roll, which means actually you take this image and you put it on the top, and you take the video that has been created by my avatar, and I add up also captions in the middle, okay? And then at the end, I just share it to my social media. And all of this was made actually using webhooks on the backend, okay? And it took me, like, for example, like, I don't know, 1 minute to create everything. And if I wanted to do like this with AI news myself and getting set the camera, etc., and editing, it will take me like, I don't know, maybe 1 hour or half an hour, and it saves a lot of time, guys. So for the interface and also the N8N flows, I'll be sharing them in my AI community. You can see that there's a lot of value inside. You can find courses if you're just a beginner about AI. There is also a community of 48 members that are fully into building with AI. I'll be also there, so I'll be supporting you if you have any technical issues. So yeah, don't hesitate to join. And now let's move to the AI flow. So as you can see, there is a communication between the two. So the first flow actually, which is the step 1 here, it allows me to get the script, but also it allows me using Brave Search to get the content and the images, okay? So this is the first version. As I said to you in my other videos, I always want to keep it simple, and I go step by step to create something, I would say, more relevant, and that will allow me to create more quality, okay? So this is how I do it. This is my MVP 1. There was an MVP 0. You can check my other video. I was talking about it, okay? So this is the avatar. So I'm creating it. I'm using Heygen, and I'm getting the status from Heygen, okay? When the video is completed, I'm getting a response that the video has been completed. Here, I'm creating thumbnail. I'm checking the status of the thumbnail. I'm merging the videos. So I'm merging actually the media, which is the picture on the top, on the bottom, and I'm also integrating the captions in the middle. So here I'm checking the status, and at the end I'm just downloading this in the YouTube channel. So this is it. Actually, I'm going to enrich it even more. I'm using it also for, I'll be actually adding in the last one TikTok and Instagram and other platforms, and I'll be sharing everything in my community. And don't hesitate, if you want more details, in my first video I've actually described in more details each node. Okay, hope you like the video and you find it pretty insightful, and it pushes you also to build the same kind of systems. I'm building my systems based on my own problems, so I'm creating systems that allows me to save time. So this is the system of content creation, but I'm also building a system that allows me to get more leads for my business. So if business and AI is something that interests you, you can join the community. You will find the link in the description or in the first comment. The next video, I'll be sharing more value, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop a like button because it allows me to continue. Have a good night and see you in the next one.